mga tamsa, kaya yung isa kong Hello, Afghan Food House. Mega love out, shout out. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out. How are you? I'm doing my silent live. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out, Afghan Food House. Let me go to your thank you, my friend. Let me go to thank you. Let me go to your channel. And I will oh yeah, I finished your 32 minutes, my friend, and I just fall to sleep last night. Okay, I will just a little bit shorter, my friend. This 4 minutes and 08 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna a thumbs up on this one and watch. Thank you, Afghan Food House. Okay, I'm watching now on my other phone. That one. Okay, that's gonna be 4 minutes, my friend. Just that one for now, because I gonna do some other who's gonna come here. Yes, I already subscribed to you too, my friend. Thank you much. Thank you much. Later I will do this silent live, my friends. Okay, because I gonna go to work. Work. Thank you for coming to the live. Yeah, I'm still watching it. You're making some noodles. Big love shout out everyone. Thank you for coming to the live, guys. I just do this one silent live for later. Probably 3-4 hours. Thank you, my friend, Afghan Food House. Thank you much. Yeah, I will do this one silent live later because I'm getting ready to go to work. Just comment, guys. Thank you, Sisi, Afghan Food House. Hello, Birds Way. Mega love shout out. I'm just doing the face off, no face. Combination of talking live and silent live, my friend, uh, Birds Way. How? Yes, hello, my friend Bert. How are you? Thank you for coming to the live. I really appreciate that. And I will do this one silent live later because it's still going to work. Getting ready to go to work so that we can have money to pay for our bills. Hello, Daisel. Make love shout out, Jana. Thank you. I'm sorry, I cannot say that one because that's not good word. Probably I'm gonna be kicked out of YT if I'm gonna do that one. Sorry, Gianna. Hi, Daisel. Mori kaday? Kamao naman siguro kaday? Or kung di kay kakari day, padadaan na yati kag tutorial. Ako lang ni siyang gitiwas day kay din ako ganahan unya mag upcoming ba kay nindot sa Prism. I like Prism though. Prism up. Thank you, Day. I will make ay okay, hold on. Time sa i-blowsan ako ni si Kuanday. Si Razel. Okay, moderator na ka, Daisel. Razel. Yeah, I'm gonna do Prism next time. I just finish all this one that I did upcoming because I don't know how to do that. Okay, I'm done with Afghan Food House and maybe one short for Afghan Food House, and I go to Bird's Way. Okay, and the next is Bird's Way. Where are you, Bird's Way? Okay, to your videos, Bird's Way. Upcoming, I will thumbs up your upcoming birthday. I'm thumbs up 39. Okay, I already thumbs up birthday. And I will go to this. Oh, this is longer video. 14 minutes. Oh, it's okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dai. Thank you for coming. Hello, Dongting. Gitiwas anak ko ni Dong. I finishing this upcomings of mine, and then I will go to Prism after. Sayang magud kong i-delete because I don't want to delete the upcoming. I deleted one actually. So I do this one and then I have one more. I want to finish all the upcoming and then I will just go to Prism. Prism easier and more views, hopefully. Hopefully we have more views. And thank you ninyo. Thank you Dongting. Thank you Daisel. Mag-live lang ta kung kasi gusto mag-live, live lang. Anyway, meron man tayong mga ano. Oh my God, I still have another. I'm gonna delete this one. probably I will, let's see. Okay, let's do the highlights. Okay, sana all. Hello, Pinay! OFW Vlog, MLSO. Okay, let me make you as a moderator. Okay, you're already a